The El Paso Zoo was originally supposed to reopen today, but as the new cases of COVID-19 spike in the city, it will have to remain closed.
KTSM 9 News reported that the Ana Favela takes us there so you can see how staff is taking care of the animals.
We're here at the El Paso Zoo, which many of us knew was supposed to reopen on July 1st. However, because of the coronavirus, it has been further postponed. Either way, we did get the unique opportunity to take a look inside and check up on the critters that we care about and see how they've been doing through this all. So let's go ahead and go. All right, I am now joined with Joe Montesano. He's the director of the El Paso Zoo. Now, Joe, go ahead and give us a look at what the zoo is looking at right now, and what's kind of your message for the public kind of moving forward, because we couldn't reopen today specifically.
Well, we're a little disappointed, obviously, but it's for the protection of the animals, the staff, and the people, our guests. You'll have to wear masks when you do get to come to the zoo.
All right, well, since people can't be here right now, you go ahead and take us or give us a tour right now. So we were just walking through the Chihuahuan Desert, and we're actually here at the Jaguars Exhibit, which is relatively new for El Paso Zoo and for the public to something to look forward to.
But all this is new as of November. If you haven't been to the zoo since November, you haven't seen anything of the Chihuahuan Desert is here.
And you were mentioning that, the employees and staff have been working really hard despite that the zoo has been closed. Can you talk about just the efforts that they've been doing?
So our animal staff has still had to come in every day and take care of the animals. Here they're repropping the exhibit for the parrots.
And we are now approaching an El Paso favorite. I know many El Pasoans, including myself, love visiting Khaleesi and the orangutans here. Yep. Talk about how they've been doing with all of this so far.
Well, they're some of our favorites, you're right, at least El Pasoan favorites, but they've been doing fine. I mean, they're doing well. Khaleesi's getting big. You can see her there at the edge of her little hammock. Some of the things we've had to do is this is one of our viewing scopes, as you can see. It's going to be marked off so people can't use it. It's too touchy, and we can't clean it in between every person.
So taking a look at this sign right here, there are some amenities that are temporarily closed to the public. Can you just go over which ones are?
Train, carousel, and the ropes course are the three big ones that people come for and a lot of times enjoy.
And once the zoo does reopen, you'll be able to be not even 6 feet, but just inches away from lions right here resting, following those social distancing guidelines. Now, Joe, tell the public what they can expect as far as hours and days you'll be open.
We're going to be closed Mondays and Tuesdays to do extra sanitation and to take care of the things we need to do. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're opening at 8 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. And Saturday and Sunday are going to be the same. Saturday and Sunday are 9:30 to 5.
Well, it was definitely a great experience to revisit the zoo. I definitely felt like a kid again, coming to relive some of my childhood memories. Now, even though the El Paso Zoo doesn't have a reopening date yet, we'll make sure to keep you updated on air and online once we learn more. Reporting at the El Paso Zoo, Ana Favela, KTSM 9 News.